What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 7/30/2024. I'm doing our 2023-24 Panini Revolution Chinese Basketball break number 1. And let me get who's got who here in the break. Let me get this going here. All right. Dennis J has the Hawks. Len H has the Celtics. Greg S has the Nets. Dennis J with the Hornets. Joe W Bulls. Dennis J Cavaliers. Brian K with the Mavericks. Dennis J has the Nuggets. Rosendo U with the Pistons. Sandy G with the Warriors. Rosendo U with the Rockets. Joe W Pacers. Dennis J Clippers. Brian K Lakers. T with the Grizzlies and the Heat. Dennis J with the Bucks and the T-Wolves. Matt R has the Pelicans. Joe W Knicks and Thunder. T with the Magic. Joe W has the Sixers. Dennis J has the Suns. Brian K has the Blazers. Jeremy W has the Kings. Chris H has the Spurs. Greg S has the Raptors. Dennis J Jazz and Wizards. All right. See what we can get here. Hits are going to be numbered cards, any of the parallel numbered cards. An auto, of course. We're going to look for the exclusive golds and stuff. All right. Box 1. Box 2. Box 3. Come on, baby. There you are. Box 4. And numero 5. All right. Let's open them up. Tough packs to rip. They are definitely not cooperating. That's one box. Jeepers. These packs really don't like to open. Oh, a green. It's like one green per box, right? Oh, I saw something different in there. So hopefully we get... I'm just going to stack them here. And go through them. I'm glad we got the basketball. Like I said, guys, there will be more basketball listed tomorrow. If you get the urge to buy something out tonight, like I said, I have until 5 o'clock. I'm not getting the kids back till 5 o'clock tomorrow. So I'll just be here doing work. A really nice Wemby would be nice, yeah. Well, a nice Wemby auto out of Revolution. I don't even know if he's in it. I haven't looked at the checklist. Here's our green. Yeah, I wanted to see if the reds were numbered. I don't think the reds are, but they'll be hits. They'll be considered hits. The reds. There it is. Well, Joe, you called it, buddy. I mean, I'll have a better picture when we're zoomed in here, but you called it, my friend. Right out of the gate. You called it. I wish these opened easier. Let's find a Galactic in here. The Spurs in this one is Chris H. Chris H was the same one who owned the Spurs in the... There's our green. In the first break of the cheap Mega Mixers. More. Alright, one more box here to open. There. There. I wonder if I do... I just want to see something. Yeah, it does do that. Okay. Get this last one going here. That's why I like the mega boxes. 10 cards per pack. Can we get that elusive auto? Something is different down there in this stack. I don't know what it is. The card looked different, but it could have just been the way it sat. There's our green. All right. Last pack. Here we go. All right, good luck. See if I have to adjust this just a little bit. I think we're good there. Alright, so the New Year's card here. Wow, the red on the red there. Tumani Kamara. Going to Portland, and Portland is Brian K. Okay. We got a green, Emmanuel Quickly. That's to 88. That goes to the Knicks, the green parallel. So New York Knicks. I want to make sure I didn't pass any other. I don't know if you get Grove and all those others in here, but with the Chinese mix in. Anthony Davis, Lakers. Brian K. We got Grady Dick. We got Dick. Toronto. Greg S. And then Jalen Green for the Nuggets. Does it say Nuggets? Rockets. I was going to say. That's in Nuggets there. Rosendo U. Scoot Henderson rookie. Rick Smith Jr. rookie for the Hornets. That's Dennis J. getting that one. I just don't like how this looks. Alright, Dennis J. getting that one. All right, we got Tobias Harris, 76ers, Joe W. All right, Cade Cunningham for the Pistons, Rosando U. What we got here? Keegan Murray. Kings. Jeremy W. back in action. Jaden Ivey, Pistons. Rosendo. Haven't had a green in a while here. There we go. Asur Thompson. Again, all these are going to get hard in case. Detroit, Rosendo. Tyrese Halliburton, Pacers. Indiana is Joe W. Here's a green. Amari Bailey, Hornets, rookie, Dennis J. That's to 88. DeJounte Murray for the Hawks. That's Dennis J. It's all kinds of red. Oh, God. Chris Porter Jr., Cavs. Dennis J. getting that one. Julius Randle, Knicks. Joe W. And how about, I can't see it, Amari Bailey. Again here. Hornets, Dennis J. So you got the green and you got the red. And then you got Jalen Brunson for the Knicks. Going to Joe W. All right, let me get rid of this stack here. Let's see what else we got. I see a green coming. It is Jalen Pickett. Like, I know this one's different with the balls, but it's not like saying Grove or... So, again, everything's going to ship. But Jalen Pickett, rookie, to 88. All right. Denver is Dennis J. Dennis on a roll here. Here's another one. Here comes another Hornet. LaMelo. I think we got the green later. LaMelo right there. I thought I saw it. I can't guarantee it, but you might have the red and the green in that one, Dennis. What is this one? This is different. Yeah, that's a gold New Year. I mean, it's supposed to be that red, but that looks like gold or something. Kevonte Jones. I know it's... I didn't see any like this. Yeah. Just says New Year on the back, but that's a gold or something New Year. Utah. Dennis, there you go, buddy. Kevonte George, rookie. What was it called? It was called gold something. Hollow gold. Look for exclusive emerald and hollow gold. So that's a hollow gold. So congrats on that. There's a Cade Cunningham for the Pistons. Rosendo. Getting that one. I'm going to put that gold because that's the first gold. Yo. Not the playing cards on the ground. Before I crush them and everything else here. Get plastic stuck in my foot because that's the way it'll go. All right, Jay, let's do this. Move these to the side. All right. Grab this stack here. Is that another gold? Yes, it is. Bryce Sessambaugh, Utah. Crushing it. Both Utahs. I passed a couple of reds. Let me see. Oh, yep, there's one. There's two. Yeah, I missed them. Good eye, my friend. Good eye. There's three. This is why we go and sort everything. So here's the three reds that I passed. Cameron Thomas for the Nets. Greg S. getting that one. Follow that up with a Damian Lillard for the Bucks and an Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. Both Dennis J. Cole Anthony, Magic. T getting that one. Here comes, so there's a red there. That's where they are. Kyle Kuzma for the Wizards, Dennis J. And then a Anthony Simons. I always do that. For Portland. And Brian K. How about a Vezenkov? Yeah, Sasha Vezenkov for the Kings. Jeremy W. getting that one. You got Hachimura for the Lakers, Brian K. All right. All right, here we go. We got Franz Wagner for the Magic. Franz Wagner. Orlando T getting that one. How about a green? There it is, LaMelo. I knew we had a red and a green. LaMelo to 88, headed over to the Hornets and Dennis J. And then we have Shaedon Sharpe for the Blazers, which is Brian K. And then Leonard Miller. So like that's a different New Year than the other ones. That's like the gold bubbles. Is that a navy or a black? It's not numbered, but it's not one of these. I don't know. That's different. Putting it over here. Emerald exclusive numbered to 88. Hollow gold numbered to 8. So maybe these are nothing. They do say New Year on them. So these aren't golds. I thought they were golds from the way they looked. But they are New Year inserts. Anywho. Yeah, the golds are to 8. That's why I was like, okay, maybe I read that wrong. Either way, gonna get them. Jimmy Butler, Heat. T getting that one. We got Scotty Barnes, Raptors. Greg S. getting that one. Donovan Mitchell, Cleveland. Funny name for this planet. Dennis J. getting that one. See, like those, but if they're colored, they're New Year's ones. Like this one. Chris Murray, Portland. Brian K. All right, I'm getting to that point where there was that weird looking, I thought it was. Fred VanVleet for the Rockets. Houston. Is Rosendo U. See, like that one is something. There's our gold to 8. Donovan Mitchell. So that's what a gold looks like. Donovan Mitchell. I have no idea what those other inserts are. But Cleveland. Who is Cleveland? Dennis J. There you go. How about a gold? And it's your Jazz boy. 8 of 8. So you're reunited, my friend. Reunited. I don't know if I look through the rest of these. Let's do Jabari Smith Jr. here. That's the Rockets. And Houston again. I just said who they were. Rosendo U. All right, we got Zion for the Pelicans. Matt R. How about a green? Jalen Hood Shafino. Green to 88 for the Lakers. Brian K. There is a Alperin Sengun. So Sengun for the Rockets, which is Rosendo. And then you have a Kobe Buffkin for Dennis J. and the Hawks. But that's, again, one of those different ones. Okay, let me put these to the side. All right. I think I saw something in here. I don't remember. There's a LeBron. Heading over to Brian K. And a P.J. Washington Jr. headed to the Hornets. Dennis J. And it's just the Jazz one that has the gold in the background. But again, Taylor Hendricks, rookie, headed over to Dennis J. And then you got Devin Vassell for the Spurs. That's Chris H. Jalen Pickett. All right, maybe I didn't see something. Thought I saw, yeah, right there. Something backwards, so I'll put it to the end. All right, you got Kawhi. The Clippers. Dennis J. All right. How about a Jason Tatum? Not bad at all there, Len H. Len H. Tatum. All right, Chris Middleton. Milwaukee. The Bucks is Dennis J. All right, we got Colby Jones for the Kings. Sacramento. Jeremy W. Just a Cade Cunningham upside down for no reason. Oh, that was anticlimactic. But we did pull, which I didn't show yet, but there it is. We did pull a Wemby. Trying to get as much light and focus on it as I can. But there's our Wemby right there. So great pull. Guys, more basketball will be listed on the site by tomorrow at some point in time. Appreciate you filling it up.